What's up guys, my name is Andre and welcome to a new video. Today, an update. Because I feel guilty not having recorded anything in over a week, so let's do this now. My throat is killing me right now. Just so that you know, in case my voice is a bit weird. So, this is my secondary machine. I usually don't name my computers like lots of other people do, but it's just my secondary machine, and it's the computer that I use to render my videos. Because while my videos are being rendered, I still want to play games. So what I did, I assembled an entire computer just to do it. So as you can see, it's running Windows 7. This machine is using an HP motherboard, but it was actually manufactured by MSI. It is the MSI 080AB8, or the model number that is actually written in the board is MS7352. It is a motherboard that uses the Q33 Intel chipset. Has 4 slots for DDR2 memory. And, well, this, right now the computer is using 5 gigabytes of RAM. Right now the computer has 5 gigabytes of DDR2 memory. It is using a Core 2 Duo E7500. Sorry for the camera now. E7500 running at 2.93 gigahertz. It has a 500 gigabyte SATA 3 hard drive, and the video card is a GeForce 9800 GT 1 gigabyte from EVGA, and I also have a capture card, a composite capture card, because I'm using it to digitize some VHS tapes. I know what you will think. What the hell are you doing? I mean, why are you using a Core 2 Duo to render videos when you have a Core i5? And the thing is, funny enough, my Core i5 is exactly twice as fast as this Core 2 Duo. So everything that I took some amount of time to do on my main machine, I take exactly twice that amount of time to do in this machine, and it isn't especially a very bad trade-off, especially because my videos are not like 1 hour long. And well, so that's what I use this machine for. I mainly use it for video rendering. And how do I do it? The way that I do this is that both computers have gigabit Ethernet ports on them, and they are connected via LAN using a 1 gigabit modem that my ISP provided me with. And so what I do is that I open the, well, I do all the editing right here, and then when I'm done, I save the project on a folder that this computer can access inside my computer, and then I open the project using Vegas Pro in this machine, and then this machine is only dealing with the rendering. So it is constantly exchanging files and packets between both computers through the 1 gigabit Ethernet, because 1 gigabit Ethernet has a transfer speed of 125 megabytes per second, which is actually quite a bit, just slightly faster than the maximum read speed of this hard drive. So I don't think it's a major concern. I'm not making the rendering even slower because it's through LAN. So why am I not recording a whole lot of videos like I was? Well, I'm gonna show you my arm. See that? Yep. I got some blood collected off of me. I am sick. I have no idea what exactly I have. That's why I just had some blood collected off of me today. On the 3rd of January, I'm going to do an endoscopy, which is basically the meds just put a tube through your throat to see how your esophagus is and how your stomach is. Because I have something and I just can't know what I have. I think it would be better just to focus the camera on me right now. So, I'm using an external microphone for this. So, what I've been having is that I'm still having dizziness. Sometimes I feel very weak. Sometimes I'm nauseated. Sometimes it's just a lack of equilibrium. I just can't stand up properly. My thoughts were that I was not eating and I was not sleeping very well. So I changed that. I am sleeping a lot better and also eating a lot better, but the symptoms haven't gone away yet. So I just paid. Well, my sister paid for me. I am very sorry for. My sister paid the exams and paid the blood collection and the endoscopy analysis and shit, which was over $200. And well, I had my blood collected today, and on 3rd of January, well, the results of the blood exam are going to be available on 2nd of January, and my endoscopy happens at the 3rd of January. And I am pretty apprehensive of the results of the blood analysis, because who knows what I have. So until then, I am just not feeling very productive. I mean, I'm not recording a whole lot of videos. However, I do want, on 2017, to activate a second channel of mine, which is actually older than my main channel. My secondary channel was actually created on the 22nd of May of 2011. It was my first ever channel, and I was able to recover it using the help of YouTube. And the channel is called camp.net. Since gameplays are something that I simply can't take out of my mind, gameplays are something that I simply love doing, albeit it's pretty time consuming. Recording is a breeze. I can just go through recording, and I love recording gameplays, but the thing is, when it comes to editing, well, I'm not too good at editing gameplays. Nor am I good at editing my own videos that I publish on this channel every day. Under quotes. So anyway, I am just not feeling very productive right now. And I thought I had to explain this to you guys, especially after the boom of my channel, thanks to Victor Bard, after he recommended my channel in his video. And I am very thankful for what he has done. It's just that I'm not feeling very productive. I know I said that like 3 or 4 times in a row, but it's just the truth. I'm going to try to find interesting things to record for you guys. One thing that I will be doing, however, but it's going to take some time to happen, is I am going to upgrade my secondary computer, because right now this Core 2 Duo is not very powerful. I mean, it has its own power, you know. But what I did is that I actually bought a Core 2 Quad, under quotes, because what I did is that I bought a Xeon. Yep, I bought a quad-core Xeon from AliExpress. There we go. I bought this Intel Xeon E5440. It's a quad-core CPU with a staggering 12 megabytes of level 2 cache and a 1333 megahertz bus. So it is close to a Core 2 Quad 9650, but since this is a Xeon 5000 series, if you are into Xeon, well, if you are into 771 socket to 775, you know that a Q33 chipset is not going to work with a 5000 series Xeon. So what I'm going to do is that I'll have to take a different board to my system, and that I'll have to take some of the RAM out of my system, because certainly the boards that I'll find, they are probably going to be either G41 chipsets or G31 chipsets. Both of these chipsets, the G41 and the G31, both of them support the Xeon E5000 series. the difference between the Xeon 3000 and the 5000 is that the 5000s were were certified to work with more than one CPU, so you can use server boards. And this CPU, fortunately, already comes modded. You know, normally what you have to do when you buy 771 CPUs in order to have them working on 775 motherboards is that you have to first cut the two tabs off. I think I should have a 775 motherboard to explain. But you have to cut the two tabs off of the socket, and you also have to join two pins at the bottom of the CPU, and that is done using a sticker. However, this CPU already comes modded. I think they have pictures of it. As you can see, they already grinded the top and the bottom where the tabs of my motherboard would be, so I don't have to do it myself. As you can see right there, they've done it for me. And they also already shorted the two pins that would be shorted using a sticker. So it is basically ready to go as soon as I get it. However, the shop where I bought this from is in China, and so it's going to take almost 2 months to get here. I mean, at best, it should take 34 days, which is already a lot, because it's literally coming on a ship, I guess, because it's free shipping. I also bought a gigabit Ethernet controller because it is very likely that any motherboard using the G31 or G43 chipset that I get, it's not going to come with a gigabit Ethernet port on it. So what I did is that I bought for $3. Seriously, I bought a gigabit Ethernet controller from Realtek for $3 on AliExpress or AliExpress, and that's it. I guess that both of these things will arrive together because I bought them together. One message in red. Let's see. You have an order awaiting payment. I think I already paid everything. Oh, he sent me a message. Jinfeng Chen. Hi dear, have a nice day. We have already been receiving your order in my online store, but the payment is not cleared. Do you have any issues for this order? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to tell us. We will reply within 6 hours. Best regards. It's because I actually bought the CPU first, and then I analyzed the chipset of this motherboard. And then I figured out that this motherboard would not support it. As you can see right there, the chipset of the motherboard. Intel Q33. Although this motherboard supports the Core 2 Quad Q9650, which is essentially a Xeon 5450, I guess, it's not going to work because of the multiprocessor support. Although some Intel chipsets are able to work with it, with multi-processing Xeons, running solo, of course, some Intel motherboards are not going to, some Intel chipsets will not even post with it. And later, when I install the processor, I will have to update the BIOS with the Xeon microcode so that I can unlock all of the features and all of the, all of the stuff that a Xeon has, because it's not a consumer chip, it's a server chip. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, I don't hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and I hope to record some more interesting videos for you guys in the very near future. So I'll see you guys in the next one.